welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project, which is blockchain-based decentralized authentication modeling scheme in Edge and IoT environment. Introduction. The project focuses on enhancing the security and decentralizing the authentication process in online applications to mitigate the risk associated with the centralized servers. It addresses the critical issue of the authentication in online applications such as online banking, insurance access, and health record access. Existing online applications heavily rely on centralized servers that store user details. These servers are vulnerable to both internal misuse by employees and external attacks by malicious hackers. Addressing these drawbacks, we are implementing a blockchain-based solution. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed, and a public digital ledger that is used to record transactions across many computers so that record cannot be altered without the alteration of all subsequent blocks and the consensus of the network. Various blockchain types like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, and Ripple exist, each with distinct features, governance models, and use cases. This project utilizes Ethereum, known for more than transaction recording. It supports smart contracts that autonomously manages tasks like data storage and retrieval without central authority. Ethereum strengths include decentralized application creation and engaged developer community, security enhancements, and compatibility with other blockchain projects. Objective of the project. The aim of the project is to enhance the security and decentralize the authentication process for online applications. The primary purpose of implementing blockchain technology in this project is to bolster user authentication and ensure secure storage of the data. Elliptic curve cryptography is utilized in this project for its efficient and robust encryption, making it ideal for securing user data stored on the blockchain. ECC also plays a key role in digital signatures, ensuring data integrity and user authentication in the systems while optimizing resource usage, which is crucial for IoT and edge computing environments. Requirements for the project are hardware and software. In hardware requirements, we need processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, and hard disk of 25GB and above. In software requirements, we need Node.js, Python 3.7.0 version, Visual Studio Community version. For implementing this project, we have designed few modules in the methodology. The first one is Block Auth user registration. Using this module, user can enter sign-up details and then Django IoT server will accept all these details and then encrypt data using ECC algorithm, and then it will generate a hash code. After that, blockchain set authentication function to store user sign-up details. For each user sign-up data, blockchain will generate certificate and save it as a block. Block Auth user verification. Using this module, user can enter username and the password, and then application will generate public and private keys on user details and then decrypt the data, and if user details are valid, then valid keys will be generated and then data verification will be completed. And this verified data will be checked with the blockchain data. If matched found, then user authentication will be successful. Blockchain integration. During user registration, the user's data encrypted using ECC is complemented with a unique hash code. This encrypted data, along with the hash code, is securely stored in the blockchain, ensuring both data security and integrity. Blockchain plays a crucial role in user authentication. Public and private keys generated based on user credentials are used to decrypt the user's stored registration data from the blockchain. This integration enhances security and authentication reliability. For execution of the project, first we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. This is the code folder of the project. This is the block auth folder. Inside this folder, there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into project code during runtime. This is the block auth app folder. This folder comprises of a static folder, templates folder, and Python code files. Coming to static folder, it contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Coming to the templates folder, within this folder, we will find all HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. Coming to Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is the manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server and creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. Now we have to open HelloEat folder. This is the node module folder. This folder contains dependencies or modules needed for our project. So we will open this. This is the bin folder. Inside this folder, we have executable scripts related to the project dependencies. We have to open this. This is the run blockchain.bat file, which is a Windows batch script to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purpose. Now we have to double click on it to start the blockchain. So the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at the address, which is the localhost, and the port number. Here we need to type the command, which is truffle space migrate. This will compile and deploy smart contract. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. Now we need to click on enter. After running the migration, we will receive a unique contract address. This is the unique contract address, and this address represents the location of our deployed smart contract on the blockchain. And this is the gas used. To execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts, this is the amount of gas consumed. So we will minimize it and get back to the main directory. This is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. So we have to double click on it. Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, which is localhost and the port number. This is the localhost and this is the port number. Now we have to copy this local link provided by the Django framework and paste it in any browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll paste it in that. So here we'll paste the link. At the end we'll type index.html and click on enter. So here we can see web page of the project, which is displayed in the browser, and this home page created by using the Django framework. So here we can see the two options, which are blockauth user registration link and blockauth user verification link. So first we need to click on blockauth user registration link. So here we need to enter all these details, and these details will be stored in the blockchain. So here we'll give the username and the password of the user, contact number of the user, email ID of the user, address of the user. Now we will click on register. So here we can see sign up process is completed and authentication hash code is this. And this hash code is for this block of data stored. And now we need to click on blockauth user verification. So here we need to provide the user credentials, which are the username and the password. If the details are incorrect, then user authentication will be failed. So I'll click on login. User authentication is successful, so we got the welcome message. And now we will click on access your details from blockchain link to recover his data stored in the blockchain. So we will click on this link. So here we can see all his details, which are username, password, contact number, email ID, address, which are given at the sign up time. And this is the blockchain written verification hash code, and this address where the data is saved. So in this way we can perform authentication and registration process using blockchain technology. Now we'll log out of this. Conclusion of the project. The project effectively integrates blockchain technology to fortify the security and authenticity of user registration and authentication procedures. Blockchain serves as a secure repository for storing encrypted user registration data and corresponding hash codes, mitigating risks related to data alteration and unauthorized access. During user registration authentication, the system harnesses blockchain secure data retrieval capabilities, employing public and private keys generated from the user provided credentials. This decentralized approach enhances data security, reducing susceptibility to vulnerabilities, associated with centralized service and ensuring continuous availability. The combination of elliptic curve cryptography for data encryption and blockchain for dependable storage and verification establishes a resilient and tamper-resistant system. In summary, the project underscores the potential of blockchain to elevate the security and reliability of user authentication process with online applications.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.